चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। देखते हैं सिविल इंजीनियरिंग वीडियोस विभू शुक्ला के साथ।
Welcome back guys to Civil Engineering channel. Today the topic is chair in RCC reinforcement. Why we use steel chairs in reinforced concrete reinforcement. So this is a chair I am talking about. This depth or height depend upon the raft, and this is standard. So this is a particular chair that we use in steel reinforcement. What is the importance, what are the functions, and what are the critical dimensions we require in the site. It has to be maintained as per VBS. Now we comes up with the function of steel chairs in RCC members. So function of steel chairs in RCC slab: enough concrete cover to protect from corrosion. This is the first. They hold the reinforcement in position. They maintain the distance between top reinforcement and bottom reinforcement, and they hold the reinforcement such that the concrete may surround the reinforcement from all directions, that is from bottom also. They keep the reinforcement in place of vibration and jar due to machine on when laborers work on the tied reinforcement. It also increases the strength of the structure and maintain tension in RCC. Basically, chairs provide slab and flooring work for maintaining spacing in top layer jali and bottom layer jali for avoiding collapse of bar when casting work is started. So we use different types of steel bars. You can see different types of shapes we are using. Reinforcement bar chairs is used to support reinforcement bars at determined heights in a concrete slab. Applications support reinforcing bar or wire mesh during concrete placement in flat slab, elevated slabs, precast panel projects to maintain proper concrete coverage. You can see this is a diagram. This is the top, this is the bottom reinforcement, this is the upper reinforcement, this is the lower reinforcement. These are the covers. This is a plastic spacer we have provided. You can see the cover, and this is the soil. This is the leveling concrete, or you can say the PCC. So to hold the top and bottom reinforcement correctly, we provide this steel chair.
Now I will show you the chairs on the site. The section of the chairs used in civil engineering on concrete. As you can see, the chairs are used in double reinforcement where the top and bottom reinforcement need a gapping at particular depth, and the depth is according to the raft design, and according to that the top and bottom reinforcement has been provided a gap with a chair that supports the bottom and top reinforcement, and a top and a bottom cover is provided under the chair to avoid corrosion and smooth gapping between two reinforcement. So now we see this is our chair. So this height, or you can say depth, depend upon the raft. So for example, if we are taking 300 mm, the height of this steel reinforcement taking, so accordingly main and distribution bar and the dia of steel and the area of steel These three factors matters. This length is standard, and from this to this, for example, we are taking as A, this is as B, this is at C. So B height depends upon the raft area and the raft length and breadth dimensions. So for example, if we have a reinforcement like this, like here I'm drawing, this is the front view, and so this height for this is reinforcement 1 and this is reinforcement 2. So to provide a gapping between two reinforcement, we provide a chair there according to raft depth. If we have 300, then accordingly this side will be decided. If it is 400, then according to that it is 150 mm, then it will be designed accordingly at site. Why we are providing steel chair in reinforcement is the main question. First of all, to hold the reinforcement. This is your top reinforcement, and this is our bottom reinforcement. So to hold this top and bottom reinforcement at a particular distance, and this distance is the depth of the steel chair. So first function is this. And steel chair, second use, where is there is a double reinforcement. For example, these are the main and distribution bars at the bottom, and at the top we are also providing some here like this reinforcement. So these top and bottom reinforcement must be at accurate position and must hold the concrete mixture properly. We provide steel chair. So double reinforcement, where will be there, we will provide steel chair there. So third point, is raft, where we have to hold the slab with maximum load. We have to provide these steel chairs. So what we do, we provide a steel rod of different shapes and sizes in order to prevent this bending of the for example, if maximum load comes on this reinforcement, it will go down like this. If we are providing two loads, steel will be there, the load will come, it will distribute to both the sides, so it will not bend like this. It will not bend here. So this is how we provide steel in chair. I hope you learn. So do like the video, subscribe, civil engineer Gibhor Shukla. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.